Well, here we have our houseboat at Tugboat Annie's West Bay Marina with our beautiful, about 600 and some square foot houseboat. I'm just going to walk you around and have a look, showing you a few details. Here's the back entry. It's got a beautiful spiral staircase. I'm showing the outside first. It's got vinyl siding. And the vinyl siding is done on purpose because, for one thing, it's very light. Secondly, it's indestructible practically, and it will never need to be painted, which will take on the weather beautiful. We got a nice undercover porch here, entryway with a nice curved posts, and very beautiful up there. Look at that curved wall up there that we put in. Got that beautiful red door entry, and wait till you see the inside. It's just beautiful. Look at this. Very nautical. Got the nice round window. Beautiful blue and white interior with the pinstripe shiplap material, which is not, just painted wood. It's actually pieces. And we got a nice little Juliet balcony there. We got the eating bar here on the left. Got the kitchen. Got the nice curved ceiling with the blue. I call it the blue jean roof. That's the color I put in there with the old-fashioned fridge. And we got a nice wood countertop. Notice the tile around the window, how beautiful that is. It's a nice addition. Keeps the windowsill never rotting, never decaying. We've got a beautiful curved staircase here with the stainless steel spindles. And then we have the little island here on the right. That's my wine bar and my coffee bar. Then we got the back door there. As you can see, this is going to go into the bathroom, and then to the right that will be the laundry room. Here's the shower. As you can see, beautiful glass sliding door with a round top. So nice, beautiful. Little small sink there is all you need. And then you got here, I think I show you, yeah, here it is. Here's the laundry room. That's where the washer and dryer will go. Got a little extra nook there. Here is the door that serves as a bathroom door for the toilet, as well as you can open it up that way and lock it that way, and that gives you access to the whole area. Little toilet there, RV toilet. It needs to be pumped out about once a month. And they have a service there right at the marina for that. And then you got, let's see here, I'm going to go upstairs now. And this is a beautiful staircase. As you can see, it's kind of sanded out to give you that worn-in look, but it's beautiful. And then we've got the carpeted upside bedroom, and with the nice wooden ceiling, tongue-and-groove pine, and lots of details. And then also up this room, this room also has a little balcony on the left side, which is really a balcony with a round closet. Got a round window here to match downstairs. Just a nice feel. You can see the balcony right on the right side, laying in bed there, and you open that up. It's so beautiful. And then we got the outside patio. Now the patio can be accessed from either walking through the bedroom, or you can come up the curved spiral staircase from down below. It seats a lot of people up here. As you can see, there's 2 full sets of couches. I think you probably easily fit up 8 people up there, 10 people. There's the downstairs. That's the patio down below. That's the entry. And there we go. And then we got a little covered area for the porch, where if you're having a barbecue up there, or in any way you want to stay outside, well, if it happens to rain, you got a covered area there. It's beautiful. And then you come in back in the bedroom here. Got a little red light because I always like that on boats. You can have that going. And all those are all on different lights. And then you go down the stairs here. Let's see what we got going here. We've got the back door now. I'm going to show you how that looks. It's white on this side, red on that side. And then you got the curved spiral staircase going up there. It's a really nice feel. All light blue, a very peaceful blue color for the trim amongst the whole outside. Inside has more of a blue jean trim, and a lot of stainless steel outside corner posts, everything for long longevity. That's a bamboo curtain there, which I really like. And lots of stainless steel on there just to kind of bring it up a notch and then also create a great longevity. And then we're gonna, there's that window. Here we go through outside, and then we have the beautiful arched roof. Anyway, great. Yeah, and then I got this beautiful ship's wheel from a ship that was dismantled from the 1901. There's another shot of the outside at night, how beautiful it was. We ended up moving the whole, look at that, that's beautiful. Anyway, thank you for watching this wonderful creation that took me about 5 months. One of my favorite jobs, and you can still rent that place in Olympia on Airbnb if you want. Anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
The first thing I did on this stupid fucking boat, I had to spray all these fucking handrails. It was the worst fucking week of my life.
That's why half of them are still white.
Exactly.
People think that's a design. Wow, what an excellent design they had on the handrails.
This pattern is really
Part white, part
really,
blue. I love it. Oh yeah, but actually, because like fuck you, Dad.
I can't read it.
It's white on it. I love it. We meant to do that. You know what I'm saying? We meant to do that.
Brutal.
What a beautiful night here. John and Caitlin. It is July 6th. And sorry for the bright light, but it just came on its own.
Had to be
In the corner. We're just loving the moment here because Oak and I built this whole thing out here, and it's a covered area that it started raining today. We just got to sit back in here on our little couches here. It's awesome, man. Such a beautiful environment. Me over there. Beautiful. We got look at the cabin. Like it's so nice out here at night. It's freaking beautiful.
What would you do in this moment?
Yeah, it's great.